As we all know, Relebohile Mofokeng is on his way to Belgium. Uyenza medical test bese uba mnandi. Ama rumor athi it seems as though izinto zakhe sezifinalized uRelebohile Mofokeng, so he's definitely leaving the PSL to go play in Belgium. Siqalela. Some people go social media, but it's not a good move, and some people are saying that it's a good move. I think it's a good move for Relebohile Mofokeng to go start in the Belgian Pro League, right? Number one, it's a European-based league. Number two, he's playing for a team that plays in the Champions League. The team finished number one in their league. Unfortunately, they lost the league Guma playoffs because they have a playoff system almost similar to Lape America, Lape Belgium. Relebohile Mofokeng, that's a good move for him because number one, it gives him more exposure. It has more eyes. So if he's playing playing for a team that plays in the Champions League, it means that he might find himself playing in the La Liga, playing in the Bundesliga as a Germany, or could even find himself playing in the EPL because Labantu Lababa owner le team Lena, they are linked with a team in England. I think Brighton, if I'm not mistaken, or Bournemouth. They own a team, Lapena. So if he does well, Lapena bangakwazi ukuthi bamthathe bampromote, and then he could find himself playing there. But I have a few concerns that I would like to raise about Urile. Very good player, don't get me wrong. One of the most exciting players we've ever had in South Africa in a very long time. But Urile struggles with consistency. He really does struggle with consistency. He's one player, angadlala kahle namhlanje, and then next game ungamboni at all, and then next game angena hat-trick, and then the next game ubuye futhi ungamboni. You look at something like le season lesiqeda ukudlula kuyo. Yakhe Urile. The season holistically, he's played 23 games in the Betway Premiership. Right? Of the 23 games, waqalile wonke we 23 lawo ma game lawo, but there was where he struggled with form, and a lot of people started saying things such as, yeah, but we blame it on the fact that Umhaunkotu hambile, Bekezeli Mbogazi hambile, he desperately wanted to go overseas, and then all of a sudden sehamba sago AFCON, he got injured. And then Magabuya from injury, that's when he started picking up. When he came back from injury, that's when Owadu then introduced him as the number 10. And then Urile Sakakalwe assista, Shai Presnyan, and then Besu Hugo Prusam Tachambiza takes him to the AFCON where he didn't have a good tournament. He didn't get enough game time. Played La Kalekoni game Beguguma last 16 when Bafana played against the Cameroon. Got a lot of clear-cut chances, he couldn't convert. Then came back second part of the season. Ayabona this year, this year it's when he was scoring a hat-trick. He's taking shots from outside the box, taking players on. Besaka pasa, he was so creative, and then he was involved Guma Ateka Maningi for Orlando Pirates. But this season, Maizopela, I have this year. Really for the whole season. Jongobi season is he scored 10 goals in 23 games. Playing as an attacker. Mind you, he's only scored 10 goals in 23 games. So how many games did he not score? Sibuye futhi ama assists wakarile ay8. He only has 8 assists in 23 games. Who assisted kuphela guy 8. Ayingaki futhi ama game la ngabonakala ngakhona la nga-assista ngakhona. If in 23 games that he started, he's played 27 matches actually and started 23 times, but he's only had 8 assists. And then udlale 2,131 minutes. It's concerning. The reason ngisho so, la yakhona, the league is bigger, it has more teams, and badlala amagame amaningi. There's domestic tournaments, and then bazohamba badlala compete continentally la badlala khona ama UEFA Champions League, and then kunama playoff after the regular season, kunama playoffs, and the playoffs are what matter most kulama league law, because it's the playoffs that determine whether you're going to win the league or not. Now, for someone who's played 27 games and started 23 games and only scored 10 goals and only had 8 assists, isn't that concerning for an attacker? Also, we are in a country or in a league they believe more in attack than defense. They need you to be more effective at front. 8 assists means that he hasn't really been effective. Those 8 assists could also come from 4 games. Kumbulan. The 8 assists could come from 4 games, or they could come from 5 games. It doesn't mean good lama assist wake 8 apuma kwa wonke ama game wake 8. So uyagule league la you are playing a lot of competitions, you are expected to play more games, and you are expected to perform at the highest of your ability or the best of your ability in all games. And also, another thing into Relay is concerning for me, is physique. Relay is not strong enough. Urile mncane ngomzimba le uyodlala nabantu abaqinile uyodlala nabantu abaphysical. If you're a very good player babona ukuthi uyabahlupha, what do these Europeans do? Bayakushaya ngama body weight, bayakuchallenge aerially, bayakuchallenge nala phansi. For me, if you ask me, I don't think he's going to that league for him ukuthi ablossom mabonakala emhlabeni wonke. He's going to that league to be like better developed bayomlungiselela kule league leya. So those people abamsayina kule league, they shouldn't have a lot of expectations from the boy. Yes, they should expect him to contribute lapho nalapho, but like I said, he's not the type of player obonakalayo all the time, and we've seen really struggle in big games ku PSL. We've seen him struggle kuma big game ku PSL. Makumele ukuthi abonakala akabonakali, but where you don't expect him to show up, that's when he shows up. So I don't believe ukuthi a player like that is a player that can be a regular player le overseas. If we are being honest, there are some players who are meant to play in the Betway Premiership, and this is no hate and this is no disrespect. Kunama player ba right badlala la ekhaya because the system yokudlala la ekhaya iyamvuma. The number of games we play la ekhaya ayamvuma, and the number of minutes each players are expected to play la ekhaya iyamvuma. Now imagine you going to a league, I think there is like 30 teams in the league. Banama domestic cup, bayodlala UEFA Champions League. Laba bantu lapho on top of that basayodlala ama playoffs. How many games are those? Are you fit enough to play those games? Are you strong enough to play those games? Do you have the stamina to play ama game amaningi ngalendlela lekumele ukuthi awadlale ngayo? But nonetheless, we wish uRilebuhile Mofokeng the best of luck. But for me, these are some of the things that could affect him. Sharp, urile umuphi ball he can take players on. Uyakwazi ukuphakamisa ikhanda aphase. And I like what he did against South Korea, because to me, that's when he proved ukuthi he can actually play at that level. That's when he proved ukuthi he can be effective going forward. And uyakwazi ukutrack back urile azo defender nasemuva. Uyakwazi ukusofara lapho nalapha afaka inyawo nanani. My biggest concern ngaye is consistency. He played well against South Korea. Can you say the same against Canada? He played well against Lesotho. Can you say the same against Abo Cameroon? Played well against Orbit College, against Amazulu, against Chiefs, Beka Gupi, against Sundowns, Beka Gupi. So again, when there's a lot of pressure and he came in a tempo Pezulu, we are struggling umfana. So I hope the first thing their team leanezoyenza magalenda urile masekumele ukuthi ajime nabo. Can they work on physique? Can they work on physique yakhe? Can they put him on a diet that's gonna ezoqinisa umzimba wakhe, imkhulise kancane, imupha amandla ukuthi naye akwazi ukuzilwela aqine? Because kumbula overseas kune VAR, akufani na ku PSL uzothi uyawa lapha yana xa ukuthi uzothola ifoul angayitholi kanti bamshanje ngebody weight efair, but because yena unomzimba omncane uvele wawo. So these are some of the factors that bafethu we need to look at. Masifuna ukuthatha ama player wethu ahamba overseas. Asifuni player lisuke liyodlala overseas base after one season uyabuya. And it's rumored ukuthi usign a 4-year contract. So playing for one team for 4 years edlala at that level, that's not the Betway Premiership. Itempo yale iphezulu. Can he keep up to that tempo? Is he ready even to play kule tempo leya? Phela simboneka one playing against European opposition. Bekade futhi nakhona kule game le checha ungene as a substitute, didn't get enough game time. Sambona futhi angena kule game le bafana lesikhathi lesana idlala ne South Korea. That's when he started the game and udlale kahle laphana kamnandi. But also if you're a player lo ongana stamina soqeda igame, kuyashubanyana bafethu. But nevertheless, we wish him the best of luck. Let's hope uzoshina. Let's hope he proves a lot of us wrong and proves the people that really believe in him right. Ukuthi mfana, you are capable, we star. Orlando Pirates is gonna miss you, and I believe that it's gonna take Orlando Pirates a bit of time ukuthi bathole player elifana no Rile. But question remains, can Rilebuhile Mofokeng really live up to the standard of playing in Europe? Now sizoyithola le impendulo. With everyone dala sithi sim advocate urile ka epheshe, urile ka epheshe, nabazali bakhe bakhuluma amela epheshe. It's finally happening. Can he live up to the standards zokudlala pheshe? Can he perform better than he performed ku PSL njengoba dlala pheshe? Akunamngani le. He's gonna be alone there. Probably the only South African in the team. Sharp bakhona labafana khona, I think Campbell or Omub. One of these two boys, Tylen Smith, Campbell. Which one plays for QPR again? So uzodlala no Tylen Smith, udlalela Club Brugge. Yeah, uzodlala against yena. At least he has a South African that is going to see there and spend time with. However, my biggest concern is that can he live up to the expectation and the standards? There's been times where a lot of us Pirates fans, PSL fans, sisho sithi namhlanje uzombona urile angabonakala. So gazuri luzobonakala na laphaya asazi bafethu. Thank you Cyril, breakfast is ready for you to eat. Rile Mofokeng kaze kuyodala nkomo ningawe laphaya.